So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial of LeetCode, I'm going to show you how you can find all the strings questions that are present on LeetCode. So in case if you are studying the topic of strings and you want to solve the problems on that particular topic only, you can do that. So all you need to do is to just go to this problem section, and if you are using the LeetCode, you are aware of it. And this is the problems listed here, and you can see there are different types of problems. So now you need to go to this option which says string. Here all the topics are listed. You can go to any other topics as well. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go to the questions of string. Now here you can see string, and under this small box, you can find out the number of questions of string available on LeetCode. So just simply click over here. And once you click on that, you can see all the string problems are listed in front of you, and you can directly solve the problems from here only. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.